Hey guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video we're going to learn how to crochet, and what we're going to be using in this video is a crochet hook. As you can see, the size it's a size 5. Then we're going to need a pair of scissors and a knitting yarn. So without wasting any time, let's go ahead and get started. The first thing I'd like to do is to unravel the paper out of the yarn, and then go ahead and then create a knot. And don't tie the knot, just create a knot and don't tie it yet, so as the crochet hook is going to be passing over there to start the crocheting process, like so. I like to make the loop like that but not tie it, and then take the crochet pin and then pass it across to the loop, yeah, like so, yeah. Then for me, I like to wrap the yarn around my index finger and then put the knitting pin inside the loop, like so. Then grab the yarn, pass it across to the loop created, and make sure it's fastened very well so that it doesn't lose. And then I repeat the process again. Yeah, you can make as many loops as you like, but me, I didn't make it longer just for the purpose of this video. Yeah, you continue the process, and if you pay attention, it's not a self-explanatory. You just get the yarn across the pin, pass it over to the loop created. Yeah, you continue this process and make sure the chain is long enough. Yeah, like so. Let me just keep quiet so that you guys can watch and understand what I'm trying to do here. Okay, I think it's long enough. Yes, like so. You can make it longer if you want, but for the purpose of this video, I didn't make it long. Once you get to the end, like you want to turn it over and start knitting again, just turn it like this way. Take your crochet hook, pass it over to the chain, like so. When you get to that side, wrap the knitting yarn across it and bring it over. Then take the crochet hook, pass again and bring it over. You will repeat this same process until you get to the other side. As you can see, it's coming out. Just keep on going. After some time, you will see that the whole thing is coming to life. Right now, it's just like so funny, but just keep doing it like so. I think you can see it clearly. Yeah, put it, wrap the knitting yarn across the crochet hook, pass it over like so, wrap it again, and then bring it over. And yeah guys, this is basically what is it to this video. You can continue the process until you get a bigger or a larger size, or until you become better. This is what I've been able to create so far. You can make longer or wider or bigger than this, or however you call it, until you get your result. Thank you so much for watching, and until I see you in my next one. Bye.